Gina-order na sa lamin sa iyo. Pwede ko sa kibat sa good try. Can you try harder?
Say hi to the camera. Okay.
So people like, ask the question without saying that the answer is wrong. Never ever say the answer is wrong. So din sa mga mag-ibang narinig yung sinabi, that's a wrong answer. Baksak agad. Negative yun. Does anybody have this answer? O pagka meron mali pa yung isa. Pero pinapasa mo siya. Next. Respond enthusiastically. Praise like answer. You are really into this. Mukhang masarap yung bongbong kinain mo ngayon. Kasi tama lahat ang mga sagot mo. Sasabihin mo. Avoid the right questions unless you are confident of the relationship of the time. You think you are a Christian? Oh, si Rudy. Pumunta ka namin si...
Yeah, I did it. The formal is just
roll
rolling it landed. So let's try to roll it.
Okay. Is this really the
incorrect question? Now you were like joint.
Use their names in the responses. Kailangan alam nyo, may mga items. Dapat pinatala ng English. Use your voice to show your enthusiasm. Emotions. Huwag mataray. Relax lang. Hindi tayo na-away-away. With the answers to the topic being discussed. This requires controlling the atmosphere. Ito na. Iwala natin ito. Yan. Yan po yung senior lecturer. Yung senior junior lecturer. Ang po yun. Tapos ang po yung dialogue. Bawa kayo dalawa lang mag-uusap. Kaya yung senior junior lecturer, bawa si Tony may paborito ka dahil order na ba ng salamin sa ito? Ha? Order na. O dahil order na ng salamin sa iyo, lagi siya tatanungin mo. Para ma-encourage yung others na order na ito. So, kung gagawin yun, gano'n. So, yan po yung mga bawal. Do you have any question? Any question? Again, no wrong answer. Ha? Be polite. And I don't know, nakapagpili na ba yung mga PS leaders? Okay na? Okay. So, we're ready to start. Ate, okay, may start na ba? Sige. Okay, bago mag-umpisa, mananalangin muna, ha? Ang bawat group.